why did you recycle? So they'll ask root cause, why you recycle. Everything's which will be um, uh, logged under this logs option. Some guy Rakesh or someone has been recycled these services like that. Everything should be available under logs. So don't do in real time scenarios without any reason. Okay. So disable. You can disable also. Disable means this service will be disabled for temporary purpose, and same way no one will be able to access this service as why, because it is in disabled mode. Okay. And if you go to actions again, we have many options here. If you go to repository contents, here we'll see create. Create means in repository database there is no tables and all. Without contents you have created while creating repository services. If you want to create manually, you can choose this option, repository contents create. Okay. So that is the if you click on that create option, automatically these tables will get created. Okay. Then one more option, copy from. If you want to copy repository contents from other database, you need to choose copy. Will 99, not 99, 100% will not use this option, copy from. Okay. This one also will not use. These two options will not use in real time. Okay. And if you want to delete contents, you can delete from here. Okay. So what we'll do, first we'll delete, but prior to that what we'll do, we'll take backup for safer side and we'll do restore. Okay. That will help a lot. That will helps a lot. Okay. Like will not lose any code, and I'll show you how the backups are helping us. Okay. Why we need backups. Okay. I'm closing all client tools. So how to take backup of repository service? Now our question. If you want to take a backup of repository service, this is very important question. There is no interview, I think, without this question. Guys, just assume there is no interview without this question. You have to select the repository service, go to actions, under repository contents. Here you will be able to see backup. If you click on it, it will ask username, administrator, and we need to provide the password and file name, and which name you need to take backup. Okay. Nandu, and this all the files. If you want to replace existing file, if Nandu file is already existing, means it will overwrite, it will replace. Skip workflow and session logs. There is no use with session logs and workflow logs, so we are skipping. If you want that also, it will take some more time, more space. Okay. And more time as well. Skip deployment group history, skip mx data. Okay. If you click on it, thus the contents of the tables, all the tables from this repository database will be backed up into one file, and it will be stored in one location. Okay, I'll tell you on which location it will store. Okay, so if you see now the repository backup has been completed. You want to know the know under which place it got placed, where it got stored. So for that, what you have to do, select the node and go to backup directory option. Under node, go to backup directory option. Here you will be able to see the backup path. Copy that path and go to C drive, paste that path, go here, nandu.rep. The file extension should be in .rep. Okay, so we took the backup of our repository. Now what we can do, why we are taking this backup is, if sometimes because of some issues the service crash happened, uh, because of some issues we lost all the data from repository. At that time, with help of backup, we can restore all the data. For example, today some disasters happened uh, in our city. Due to that, our data center has been gone. Like uh, we lost our repository data. So if you want to delete your repository content, the repository service should be in exclusive mode, and don't put exclusive mode without any approval. It's an important thing. If you are doing this action means you should have proper evidence. You should have proper approvals from your higher management. Okay, so for deleting contents, just assume something wrong happened, our repository content has been deleted, we are deleting manually. Okay, administrator. If you click on OK, okay, it means now we deleted repository contents. Okay, from here. So if you go here, if you reconnect to this repository database, nothing will be available. Okay, so it means we lost all the data. See, we don't have any tables, we don't have anything. We lost everything from repository database. We lost all the contents. At that point, if you want to restore existing code, like developer, everyone will be on our head. They will ask us to take out that data. In that case, what you have to do, go to actions again. If you go to repository contents, restore. Okay, you have to select file. The file automatically will select. Now go to OK. OK. Now we'll be able to see the repository contents again with help of backups. That's why every day we are going to take the backup of repository service. This is the one way we can take the backup, and I'll explain reason. Okay. Give me second, please. I got one P1 ticket. Maybe we need to disconnect. If it is cool, we'll connect it again.
Hello, Anna.
Yeah,
Hi, no, it's showing less than a minute now. You'll rejoin.
okay.